There's a saying that I don't want to hear about it. There's a saying, gone with the wind. That's exactly how it happened, or I realized it just that second that you were. You truly were gone with the wind. So I'd like to think of myself as floating in the sky. I like the wind, I like the wind and how it gets me high. It's just a dream, girl, just a dream. Look, your little toes, they touch the ground, you can't touch the sky. And you know, girl, yes you do, yes you do, you can't follow the wind. Oh, but I do know how. If I close my eyes, I know how to fly and catch the wind, my love. Isn't it so? Or is it true what they say? Is it true what they say? That you're gone with the wind.
Pričevanja ostarelega sukača plošč.
Ja, kako je to lepo, ko vidim punkse na partih.
Afterparty. Termin za neukrotljiva ušesa in neustavljiva telesa.